Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to send a picture on Telegram by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Telegram applications here, and then now let's choose to whom that we want to share the pictures. Choose one contact, and after that please take a look on the bottom options here. There is like attachment symbols. Just click it, and after that go click manage. And now please select more photos, and then you will be generated into your galleries, and you can choose which picture that you want to send to your friends. Okay, for me, let's say I want to share this, and after that just click done, and I'll just click this small circles here, and then if you want to have like more captions, just click it, put like anything that you want to say to your friends, and after that just click send by click this arrows, and then now the picture is already sent into your friends. And that's how the way you send a picture to your friends by Telegram. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.